first turn a PC on that has a motherboard like this, there's 4 little LEDs here. You see them go from yellow to red to white to green, and then eventually they turn out. I reseated this connector for purposes of redoing the cable management on this PC. When I did that, it stopped at the first yellow light that said I had no memory. I then troubleshot it and switched just one memory module in to this location, and it worked fine. When I put the second one in here, it didn't. I swapped them around in the same pattern. Well, it turns out this is the same problem I've had in the past with 2 other AMD systems with the AM4 socket. When I pull this cable out and put it back in again, I must have flexed the motherboard. Not enough to damage the motherboard, although that was a concern of mine. But I pulled off the cooler, I pulled the CPU out of its socket, cleaned everything, put it back in, and put a little finger on the CPU as I closed the latch. And when I turned it back on, everything was solved.